Let's get you an update of a US report citing American intel say that China ordered the attack on Indian troops in the Galwan Valley, where the report cites assessment from the US intelligence which contradicts China's timeline of the skirmish in the Galwan Valley. The report goes on to state that the general who was the head of the Western Theater Command and among a few other combat veterans still serving in the People's Liberation Army approved the operation along the contested border region of northern India and southwestern China. Let me go across to Shravan for more on this. So this is important to note, Shravan, what the US intel has been citing, now making this claim. Earlier, where China was initially refusing to make the claim of the casualties, it was the US intel that had reported it. Now again, we are getting this very important claim that it was China who was the aggressor.
Well, in fact, this is the second intel assessment report that has basically come out, but this, once again, damning. This is exactly what India has been saying. If you remember the statement that was issued by the Ministry of External Affairs soon after the incident that took place on 15th of June, where India essentially called it premeditated. This particular report goes on to say that a top general from the Western Theater Command had basically ordered this entire clash, essentially because they did not want to look weak. That's what the intelligence report goes on to indicate. And I'm just quoting from this report, which says that a senior Chinese general basically authorized his forces to attack Indian troops in the Galwan River Valley last week. And the general's name happens to be General Zhao Zongqi, who's the head of the Western Theater Command. Remember, this is not very different from what India has already maintained with regards to what really happened on 15th June when India called it nothing but premeditated. In fact, the call between External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar with his counterpart in China was essentially about the fact that they had crossed the line, and secondly about the fact that 20 of Indian soldiers had lost their lives in this particular brutal skirmish, if I may say so. I'm also told that my colleague Tejinder is joining us live on this broadcast. Tejinder, if I can go across to you. This is exactly what India has been maintaining all this while, that it's premeditated. Now, a US intel report essentially suggesting that a senior Chinese general from the Western Theater Command is the one who has actually ordered this entire clash.
Yes, Shravan, this is the second time in past 1 week that the stand taken by India stands vindicated, and the US intelligence report, which earlier said that more than 35 Chinese PLA soldiers were killed in the retaliation in the violence that took place in the Galwan Valley. And once again, the very same day, Indian Ministry of External Affairs had issued a statement saying that the attack was premeditated, it was initiated by the PLA. And now today, the US intelligence report once again nailed the lies of Chinese. Because if you remember, Shravan, for the past more than 8 days, the Chinese government's mouthpiece Global Times has been trying to pin the blame on Indian forces. Even the Chinese foreign minister spokesperson, he also said that it was the Indian troops which resorted to violence. But now the stand taken by the government of India and the Indian army stands vindicated, and the US intelligence report clearly pins the blame on Chinese People's Liberation Army. I'll be quoting from the report which the US intelligence agencies has given. It says that a senior Chinese general authorized his forces to attack Indian troops in the Galwan River Valley last week, resulting in a brutal skirmish that killed dozens and dramatically escalated tension between the two Asian powerhouses. This is as per the US intelligence reports. It also says that General Zhao Zong, head of the Western Theater Command and among the few combat veterans still serving in the People's Liberation Army, approved the operation along the contested border region of northern India and southwestern China. So clearly you see the blame, the onus of this violence in which 20 Indian soldiers, they were martyred. More than what the US intelligence report says that more than 35 Chinese soldiers, they have been killed, though our sources maintain that the number of Chinese soldiers killed in the clashes go up to 43, more than 43. But though the Chinese government has not uttered a single word till now about the casualty, about the number of casualty, though the Chinese mouthpiece has been continuously reporting about the casualties, but they haven't disclosed the number so far. So clearly the onus, all the responsibility lies on the Chinese side. Yesterday also, when the corps commander level talks were held, the Lieutenant General Harinder Singh, who is the corps commander of the Leh-based 15 Corps, also conveyed it to the Chinese.
Tejinder,